All right, one more for today. Yeah, I need to still catch up. And there are a lot of them I still need to catch up on. That still can seriously explain why there's a lot of episodes coming out. But I promise you, it won't be like this for long. And thankfully also to myself, because I don't want to keep doing this every time. It gets annoying after a while. You may think I don't get annoyed of it, but I actually do. But I'm doing this because I skipped out on a ton of episodes throughout July, as you know. Hopefully, I stopped saying that. I really hope. It is 8:08. Dang. It's already almost night. And the sky's going to start getting dark soon. So, yeah. Last time, if you guys know, in the last episode, we did some stuff in the shed. That was a fun episode. Because it was the first time I actually went into that shed in a good while. Now, this thing. I don't know why this is still here. I got this from, like, a store somewhere. Somehow. And no, we're going to try not breaking it, of course. I'm actually curious. Why is this even here? Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. That was not meant to happen. I was trying to pick it back up so I could put it somewhere. No. Instead, it does this. See, I was just trying to pick it up and then it just broke. Do we really want to use this? This thing has been out here for a while. I might still use it. That's if it doesn't break. If I keep throwing it consistently. Let's actually throw this out. Ugh. Yeah, that already looks weird. Let's see. Let's pop it on top of here. Hey, nice, it actually worked. You know, again, I might actually, and I'm being serious, might again consider using this for events. I am surprised this actually can fit on a lot of these things. Let's see. What else do we want to do? Yeah, that's the problem. I kind of can't think of stuff, which is really annoying. One thing. Do we have any more broken pavers in here that I can just destroy? Hold up. We got one. Yep, basically destroying any ones that are broken. Wow. Okay, look at how big that is. That is freaking nuts. Okay, so let's see. I don't want to ruin that. I was referring to saying, is there anything on these? Okay, cool. Okay, I'm just checking to see if we have any more broken ones that I can just get rid of. We do. We do have another broken one. We can't live with these. Just finding all the broken ones. Ugh! Okay, let's hope that's the last one. Because I am somehow finding a lot of broken pavers today. And that's not good because we're going to need these in the fall. Actually, We should actually put all these back. There. Okay, so we're good with that. Now, what about this? I'm not sure. I don't know why this keeps lying around here in the backyard. Let's, you know, maybe I should have actually put this in the workshop from the start. Yeah, the problem is, yeah, it already broke, kind of. But you know what? It's still useful. So yeah, we're gonna put this in the workshop. I don't know why I never actually thought of doing that, but now I'm glad I am. I am glad nothing happened. Okay. Down there you go, wooden crates. I did not think it was gonna land that perfectly. That works. Oh, what's that doing down there? Alright. Let's see. I'm gonna go throw this out because this is a part of the workshop path. That is going to be removed sometime in the fall. So yeah. Now all of these are here on purpose because there's kind of a hole down there. Alright. Do we have any more broken ones or are we good? Nah, I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're good actually. Just checking real quick. Just want to make sure, just in case. Because you never know. Okay. Also, I don't know why this is still here. That's really weird. Oh, did this part already get busted already? I'm not surprised. So what the heck is this still doing here after nearly 2 years? Anyway, I don't think there's anything else to do in this episode. I'm also getting pretty bored being out here already. Not gonna lie, I already just made 3 episodes. And yeah, now I'm actually pretty bored. I kind of don't want to be out here anymore for the rest of the day. I think I did good out here today. So yeah, hold on. What YouTube notification did we get? Oh, never mind. I guess the previous one's still uploading as of recording. But, yeah. We did some stuff today. In all 3 of those videos, which all took place in the span of an hour. Which is absolutely insane. Anyway, I am gonna go end the video, so let's make our way back to the workshop. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode on July 30th. For 2 more episodes. Why do I do this to myself? Goodbye, and remember to like and subscribe. The rest of today's uploads are on the PC. Thank God. Alright, I'm done out here for today.